Have you ever wondered what it takes to excel in the TOEFL writing section? Are you looking to unlock the secrets to impressive and effective writing that can open doors to your academic and professional future? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Understanding the TOEFL Writing section, where we unravel the mysteries of this crucial part of the TOEFL test. Whether you're a first-time test taker or looking to improve your score, this video is your first step towards success. The TOEFL writing section is more than just writing an essay. It's a showcase of your ability to communicate effectively in English, an essential skill for academic and professional success. Today, we'll dive deep into what this section contains, its format, what examiners look for, and some proven strategies to enhance your writing skills. First, let's get an overview. The TOEFL writing section is the last part of the TOEFL test and consists of two tasks: the integrated writing task and the independent writing task, the academic discussion. You will have a total of 40 minutes to complete both. The key here is not just to test your writing ability, but also to assess your ability to communicate ideas effectively. In the integrated writing task, you will read a passage for 3 minutes, listen to a short lecture, and then write a response that combines information from both the reading and listening materials. This task measures your ability to synthesize and convey information accurately. It's not just about what you say, but how you connect ideas from different resources. Next, the academic discussion task. Here, you'll express your own ideas on a specific topic. This is your chance to showcase your ability to construct a well-organized, clear, and detailed discussion. It's about presenting your argument or opinion coherently and persuasively. Now, let's talk about the strategy. Excelling in the TOEFL writing section is about practice, well-structured, using various vocabulary, using transitions for coherence, typing quickly, and developing a strategy for time management. All these points are important. We will explain them for you one by one. Just keep watching and you will be the best. Remember, the TOEFL writing section is your opportunity to demonstrate your English proficiency in a real-world academic setting. With the right preparation, you can turn this challenge into a stepping stone for your future endeavors. Keep practicing, stay focused, and you will be on your way to achieving a great score. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session, where we'll delve deeper into effective essay writing strategies for the TOEFL test.